Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this Christmas look right here just because Christmas is tomorrow or Christmas Eve, but I wanted to do this look for you guys. So if you guys are interested in this look, then keep on watching. So the first color I'm using is this red color from bhcosmetics Takes Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just placing that all over the crease. So I'm using this white shadow right here. You can use any white shadow you guys have, but I personally got this from the bhcosmetics Soft Glam palette. So next I'm using this green color right here, and from the also same palette, Taking It Back to Brazil, and I am just placing that onto the middle of the lid. So next I'm using this dark black color right here, and I'm just packing that onto the outer corners and making a wing. And I know it looks horrible right now, but that's why you are gonna have to use concealer to clean it up. So I'm using this green shadow that we used and just packing that onto the middle, and so that way the shadows won't go away, fade away. So I'm taking this green glitter right here. This is from the Golden Paradise glitter in the shade Treasure, I think, but I'll list everything down below. And for the lashes, I'm using the Golden Paradise, again in the style Flirty. For foundation, I am using the Maybelline Infallible 24-hour wear in the shade Golden Amber. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Multi Sculpting Coverage Concealer. bronzer, I am going to be using the Makeup Shack Sail Howlet contour palette, and this is my favorite palette to use for contouring because I feel like the colors are just beautiful and like they're not really too like harsh. So next I am gonna be contouring my nose, just because I really don't do this really often on video, but I've never contoured my nose. I don't know why, but I'm starting to like it now. To bake, I'm using the original RCMA no color powder, and this has been my favorite like baking powder that I've ever used to bake, and also because I like using this on my clients, and also because it doesn't leave you like having like flashbacks, because I know some powders do have that and this one doesn't, so I really like using this. So next I am going to be using this red shadow that we just placed on top of the crease and just placing that onto the bottom lashes. So to overline my lips, I am using the Italia Deluxe lip pencil in the shade Chocolate, and this has always been my favorite lips liners to use on myself and also on my clients. For lipsticks, I am using the NYX Strip Tease lip gloss in the shade Dexter. So for highlight, I am using the Amrezy highlighter. So this is the finished look right here. I hope you guys really liked it, and let me know if you guys will want to see on how I apply false lashes. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time on my next video.